A liquid column in glass and liquid in glass thermometer is 2 centimeter long at 0 degrees Celsius, and the column expands by 10 centimeter when heated to 100 degrees Celsius. Measuring from P, how long is the liquid column at 30 degrees Celsius? Oh, this gotta be interesting. So at 0 degrees Celsius, we got 2 centimeter in the length, and at 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of water, and this is the freezing point of water, or the melting point. So we got 10 centimeter within 0 and 100. So we can say that per degree Celsius, it's actually 10 centimeter divided by 100. That will be 0, 0, 1 over 10, which is 0.1 centimeters per degree Celsius. Okay, so whenever temperature rises by 1 degree, the length of the column will increase by 0.1 degrees with 0.1 centimeter. All right, so if you want to check the length from the point P for 30 degrees Celsius, so that would be, so for 30 degrees Celsius, the length of the column would be 30 times 0.1. So multiply 30 times 0.1, and that will be 30 times 1 upon 10. So this will be 3 centimeters. So the length of the column will go from here to here by 3 centimeters. And since we are measuring from point P, so 3 plus 2 is 5, we can say that the total length of the column from point P will be 5 centimeters exactly.